Hello my friends, welcome to my YouTube channel, and today I am going to talk about a very important topic, which is YY analysis. And in this video you will learn about what is YY analysis and how to do YY analysis. Before starting this video, I would like to say you, if you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel yet, then please do subscribe first and also press on the bell icon to get the notification about my future videos. So without wasting any time, let's start the video. Friends, YY analysis is a very useful technique which is used to solve the quality issues in most of the manufacturing industries. So before doing YY analysis, we must have the knowledge regarding what is YY analysis. YY analysis is an analytical method that is designed to help you identify all factors contributing to a problem one by one in an orderly fashion, rather than a hit and miss attempt to work out the factors and family. We will have the root cause of the failure, and it was developed by Skitchy Toyota and was used first in Toyota Motors. So it is very important for us to know how to do YY analysis. Let's talk about why problem analysis is required. The problem analysis is required to prevent the recurrence of the failure, to find out the root cause, and we can easily take preventive action against that. It is also very helpful for developing our problem solving skills and mitigate future challenges. We should know about what is the problem, cause, root cause and countermeasure. First of all, if I'll talk about problem, the problem is what has happened or it is an undesirable event. Issue observation is an understanding of what has happened. And what is cause? The cause is the reason behind the failure. And what is root cause? The root cause is exactly where the cause has originated. And countermeasure, the action which you take against the root cause so the issues will not be repeat again. Friends, there are some key points of YY analysis that we should keep in mind before doing it. First key point is it should be done in team. Second one is verify facts from Genba, which means the real place, and on Genbutsu, which means the real thing. Third one is connect the whys in a chain of logic. Fourth one is should end up the investigation where the causes can be prevented. Fifth one is use the hence logic to check the chain of logic is continuous. And sixth one is no assumptions and no guesses should be used in YY analysis. Seventh is distinguish causes and symptoms. Don't mix up cause and symptoms with each other. Eighth one is try to make your answer more precise. Ninth one is assess the process, not people. And last, 10th is ask why till the root cause is determined. Friends, let's talk about how to perform YY analysis. To perform YY analysis, we should keep in our minds some important points, which are repeat why n times till root cause is found. It is only applicable for one single event. Stop the why chain when you reach basic 5 causes. It can be done by Genba people based on actual findings. It is not mandatory to stop after asking 5 whys. Sometimes we can reach the root cause by less than 5 whys, and sometimes it can go up to more the 5 whys. Friends, now I am going to show you the example of YY analysis, with the help of which you will be able to understand how to perform the YY analysis. And I am going to perform YY analysis on a problem. The problem is material was not reached at the site on time. And why analysis should be done in this way. First why material was not reached on time? Because it was dispatched late. Second why is, why material was dispatched late? Answer is, material was not ready on time. Third why is, why material was not ready on time? Its answer is, material specifications was reached late. Fourth why is, why specification was reached late? Its answer is, material specification was not sent with PO. Fifth why is, why material specifications were not sent with PO? Its answer is, purchased person missed to send it together. Sixth why is, why the person was missed to send it together? Answer is, the purchasing person was new and he was not trained. What will be its root cause? The root cause will be, new person training was not done and he has lack of skills. And the preventive action we should do against the root cause: introduce a training system for new joiners, and after successful completion of the training, the work will be allocated to new joiner. So in this way we can do the YY analysis. What are the benefits of 5Y analysis? It is beneficial for improving analytical thinking. It is also beneficial for develop an understanding of the relation of the failure with theories and fundamental principles. Also will be helpful for improve the knowledge of the function, structure and mechanism of the equipment and process. It develops the consciousness about the abnormalities causing trouble in the workplace. It is also helpful for aim to level up the ability of the people. And it is also beneficial for develop the way of prevention of recurrence. Friends, hope you understand about the concept of YY analysis. If you really like this video, then please do like and share with your friends and colleagues. And also do subscribe to my YouTube channel and press on the bell icon to get the notification about my future videos.